This is the Martin T60, and I'm having problems keeping this flip stop at a right angle to the outrigger fence. Now, this flip stop rides on 4 nylon rail tracks that ride on this chrome half round that you see here with my finger and thumb. So I've taken this whole mechanism off, and I've filed about 7 or 8 thousandths off of this nylon stop right here, and you can see the end of the stop right in there. There's one there and one there, likewise the same on the other side. So I adjusted the height shorter on this member than the other 3 of the nylon pieces. Took about 7 thousandths off, and now to show you I have a good fit. I can't rock it. So that's what happens when you file that down. There's no other adjustment, according to Martin, for this problem. The experience I've had, if this flip stop, is not a right angle to the fence all along here, short or long pieces, you get a bit of a rocking action unless you have a pressure of the wood product against the fence all the time. So having this square, you're forcing it against the fence and against the stop as you make your cut. That's the best scenario. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.